Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a 3D paper star, just like this here. This is a very easy model to make and very beautiful too. You will only need paper, some glue and scissors. This model is made up of 5 pieces. Each one is made from a square of paper measuring 10 by 10 centimeters, about 4 by 4 inches. I'll show you a very easy way to get these squares, but if you already have them ready, you can skip this step. Starting with a whole sheet of paper, we'll divide it into 3. You can do this however you prefer, but I think the easiest way is to bend the edge of the paper like this, like an S shape. Then we carefully align the edges. In the end, we just flatten the paper to make a crease on each side. Something like this. And with these marks done, we'll fold the right side, marking 1/3 of the paper. Then we unfold and fold the left side in the same way, now also using the previous fold as a guide. Unfold. Now that the paper is divided into 3, we'll fold 1/3 of the top side to the first crease we made. Then flip the paper over, leaving it in this position. Let's fold the bottom part up, using the previous fold as a guide. We can unfold this part and reinforce the crease. Flip the paper over again and fold the extra paper up. Completely unfold the paper. Now we cut the paper along the vertical and horizontal lines. And we have 6 squares of paper of the same size. You already have the 5 you need and an extra one just in case. To make the pieces, let's take the first square of paper. We start by folding the square in half diagonally. Then we unfold it, rotate the paper to this position, and fold the top edges to the middle. We can start with the right side, then do the same with the left side. Fold the bottom corner up. Then fold the bottom edge to the middle, creating these 2 new diagonals. Let's start by bringing the right half to the middle. Do the same with the left half. Undo this last step. Now we'll glue the paper, applying glue only within this space here. Just put some glue in the middle, fold the bottom corners over, and wait for the glue to dry. Once it's dry, we'll open the paper by pulling this smaller layer and close it in this position. We have our first piece. After making all the pieces, we'll put some glue on this triangle at the bottom. Place the next piece on top. And repeat the same for all the other pieces. In the end, after the glue dries, we'll open the paper, almost making a star, and glue the remaining space. Just bring the two sides together, wait for it to dry, and our 3D paper star is ready! As I said at the beginning, a very easy and beautiful model. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video!